Welcome to the guard-gated community of Las Palomas in the master planned community of McCormick Ranch in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm Nicole Kleppe with RE/MAX Fine Properties, and you're going to love my latest listing. Welcome to 8444 North 84th Street in Scottsdale. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2,688 square feet. Enter through the courtyard to reveal an open floor plan with high ceilings, an abundance of windows that let in plenty of natural light. To the right is a secondary master with attached office or guest room with its own separate entry. The dining area is to your left, only steps away from the kitchen with a sub-zero fridge and plenty of counter space and updated recessed lighting. Through the kitchen is the den, a perfect place to watch TV or read a book while enjoying views of the lake. The living room has its own wood-burning fireplace and is located in front of the large and open master suite. Through the French doors is your own private oasis with lap pool, built-in barbecue, and glorious lake views. The community of Las Palomas features 2 community pools, 2 tennis courts, bocce ball, shuffleboard, and a giant chess set. The only thing that's missing is you. For more information on this property or for your private showing, call me, Nicole Kleppe, at 480-370-1608. Thank you.